Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. May Allah protect all of you during this pandemic situation. Welcome to all of you into today's lecture. Dear students, today I will teach you the remaining question answers of your lesson 1, The Lazy Little Girl, from your English language textbook. Let's start. Question number 3 is, why did the squirrel refuse to play? Why did squirrel refuse to play? Squirrel ने खेलने से क्यों refuse कर दिया? The answer is so simple. Squirrel refused to play because she was collecting food for Hushwinter. वो Hushwinter के लिए खुराक जमा कर रही थी. That's why she refused to play. Question number 4 is, was the plant free to play with Anna? And why? The first part of the question explains that क्या प्लांट हैना के साथ खेलने के लिए फ्री था? You will answer this part of question in simple no, and then you will explain the word why. No, the plant was not free for playing with Anna. The answer of why is because it was gathering sunbeams and stored them in its leaves. क्योंकि ये sunbeams को कलेक्ट कर रहा था और उनको स्टोर कर रहा था अपने leaves में. Now students, move on next page for further question answers. Question number 5 is, what did Anna realize after talking to the plant? प्लांट के साथ टॉकिंग करने के बाद एना ने क्या रियलाइज्ड किया? Anna realized that all living things in this world must have worked hard to succeed. उसने महसूस किया कि इस दुनिया में सबको कामयाब होने के लिए सख्त मेहनत करना पड़ती है. Question number 6 is, what do you mean that is all to do? Dear students, this statement is taken from your lesson. ये वाली स्टेटमेंट आपके लेसन में से ली गई है. कीपिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट इन टू योर माइंड, इस स्टेटमेंट को आपने जहन में रखते हुए नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है उसको आंसर करना है. हु इज स्पीकिंग टू whom? व्हाट डू यू मीन दैट इज ऑल टू डू? ये स्टेटमेंट किसने किससे कही थी? आंसर इज, बजिंग बी इज सेड टू द एना. Buzzing bee is said to the Anna. Buzzing bee ने ये कहा था किससे? Anna से. Question number 7 is, sadly Anna sat down on a stone. This statement is also taken from your lesson, and keeping in mind this statement, you will answer the further parts of question 7. For example, the first part of Question 7 is, where was Anna? Anna कहाँ थी? Anna was in woods. Anna woods में थी. Why was she sad? वो sad क्यों थी? Answer is because nobody was ready to play with her. क्योंकि Nobody was ready to play with her. कोई भी उसके साथ खेलने के लिए रेडी नहीं था. C part of question 7 is, what did she decide to do? अब उसने क्या करने का सोचा था? She decided that she will always complete her homework on time and also help her mother. उसने ये सोचा था कि अब वो अपना होमवर्क जो है वो टाइम पे करेगी और व्हेन शी हैव फ्री टाइम शी विल हेल्प हर मदर. जब उसके पास फारिग वक्त होगा तो वह अपनी मम्मा की हेल्प करेगी. So dear students, that is your today's diary. You will be learn very carefully. Take care to you and your family. Thank you.